trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Rockwall, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Midlothian, Terrell, Seagoville, and Forney. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.